In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download LinkedIn app. We'll keep it simple and clear, walking through each step so you can get LinkedIn onto your Windows device using the Microsoft Store in just a few minutes. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking the Microsoft Store icon on your taskbar or by selecting the Start button and typing Microsoft Store, then choosing the app from the results. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Searching from the Start menu is usually the quickest way. Make sure you're connected to the internet and let the store fully load before moving on. Once the store is open, look for the search bar near the top of the window. Click into it and type LinkedIn. Press Enter to see the results. Be careful with spelling here. Typing it exactly as LinkedIn will help the store return the most accurate matches. Now, take a moment to check that the official LinkedIn app appears in the results. You're looking for the app with the recognizable blue in logo and the publisher listed as LinkedIn Corporation. You can also glance at the ratings and category to confirm you're selecting the legitimate app. If you don't see it, it might be due to region availability or temporary store issues. Give it a moment to refresh or retype the name to narrow the results. If the official app is available, click the Install button to download the app. On some devices, this button may appear as Get. Both options perform the same action. The store may prompt you to confirm or to continue without a payment method, since the LinkedIn app is free. If a sign-in prompt appears for your Microsoft account, follow the on-screen instructions. This is a normal part of installing apps from the store. After you click Install, wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download and install status. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and system performance. It's best not to close the Microsoft Store during this process, and keeping your device plugged in can help prevent interruptions. When it's finished, the button will usually change to Open, which is a good confirmation that the installation is complete. That's all there is to it. By opening the Microsoft Store, searching for LinkedIn, verifying the official app, clicking Install, and waiting for the process to finish, you've successfully downloaded the LinkedIn app on your Windows device. Thanks for watching, and take care.